Oh, yeah.
Planting seeds. To do something now that will lead to success or results in the future. Today's effort, tomorrow's harvest. Good things grow with time and care. What it means. To do something now that will lead to success or results in the future. Examples. She's planting seeds by networking and learning new skills. The company is planting seeds for growth by investing in research now. Every small act of kindness is planting seeds for a better world. He's planting seeds for his future by saving and studying hard. Conversation example. Why is she volunteering so much at that organization? She's planting seeds. Meaning, she's building connections and experience now that will help her in the future. Smart move. Origin. The phrase comes from farming and gardening. Planting seeds is the first step in growing crops. It takes time, care, and patience before the seeds grow into something valuable. Modern use. Today we use planting seeds to describe actions we take now that may not show results right away, but will lead to success later. Relative expressions. Sow the seeds. Lay the groundwork. Build for the future. Set the stage. Start the process. Create opportunities. When to use it. When you're taking steps for future success. When your efforts today may not pay off right away. When you're building opportunities for later. When you're working on long-term goals. When patience and consistency matter. Extra example. Why is the teacher having us read so many articles? He's planting seeds. How so? He wants us to think deeper and be ready for bigger challenges later. Got it? So it's preparing us for the future. Remember, planting seeds means preparing for the future. Results may take time. Small efforts today can lead to big things. Keep nurturing your goals and dreams. Key takeaway. What you do today can grow your tomorrow. Keep planting seeds. Nurture today. Harvest tomorrow. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.